Hello everyone, this is Danica Ansardi from Ansardi Financial Services with an educational economic update for December 2019. In this month's video, I'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in November. I will also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. The S&P 500 gained 3.4% last month. November saw the biggest increases for investors since June. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 3.72%, and the NASDAQ Composite added 4.5%. Are the U.S. and China close to signing off on the first phase of a new trade deal? According to officials from both countries, the answer was yes. China's Commerce Ministry announced that trade representatives reached a consensus on remaining issues, and President Trump said that negotiations were in the final throes of a very important deal. November ended without any announcement that a Phase 1 pact had been reached. Economists noted a 4% jump for the Consumer Price Index in November, but it still left annualized inflation at a manageable 1.8%. The core CPI, which strips out volatile food and energy costs, rose at a 2.3% year-over-year rate through October. Minutes from the Federal Reserve's October policy meeting were released on November 20th, and they indicated that central bank officials were prepared to stand pat, at least for a while. The latest economic indicators were generally positive. Companies hired 128,000 new workers in October. That was better than estimates. Retail sales were up 0.3%, which reversed the prior month's drop. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index fell, and the Institute for Supply Management's Manufacturing Index showed factory activity rising 0.5 point. The short-term economic outlook has shifted a bit. Anxieties about a recession arriving in 2020 have lessened. There's optimism that the U.S. and China may reach a Phase 1 trade agreement, and the Federal Reserve appears comfortable with its current monetary policy stance. That's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. From everyone here on the AFS team, we'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Once again, this is Danica Ansardi with Ansardi Financial Services, signing off for the month of December 2019. We'll see you next year. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 504-393-2228. We'd be happy to talk to you. While we believe that the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. No investment strategy can guarantee a profit or protect against loss in periods of declining markets. The indexes mentioned are unmanaged and cannot be invested into directly. Past performance does not guarantee future results.